Hey guys, it's Burter Butterbean Studio. In today's video, I'm doing some game dev, finishing up an application I worked on. Basically, you track your exercise and you can redeem star points, which you can use to buy fast food and ice cream in the real world. Just a nice little way to uh, stay healthy and visually see something that's enjoyable and recognizable. I have this application called Paper Mario Exercise Tracker. It's pretty neat. You get an infinite calendar and you get to mark each day that you did exercise. And then if you accumulate enough points, you can do either or of these two options. So I built a language system from scratch and that's working perfectly. So I only have to do one more thing now. Let's see. So there's a menu that opens asking if you want to confirm to reset. Here it is, confirm reset stars. So I need to get this text over here. Then I need to go to my Excel tracker sheet. See if I have it here first. Let's see. Yeah, these are all the phrases that are in the game, and then on the right are all the translated languages. Let's see. Sorry to hear you broke your streak. Are you sure? This is it right here. So this is the identifier 0. So I'm just going to put this side by side. And gotta keep a reminder that it's on line 25 so I can just scroll across. So basically I have the script I made called localized text, and it stores an array of string values, and if you click on a language button, then that ID for the string value gets updated and translates the language. It just pulls the text from the next element. So let's do localized text. There's 10 languages, so there's going to be 10 phrases. And we're going to put them in order from left to right. So ID 0 is, I think, Chinese simplified. Then we have English. Next up is, I believe, French. Yep, you can see right here. Basically, it translates everything in column A from English to the designated language. So next up is French. This, I think, is German. This is Italian. Japanese. This is Polish. That's Portuguese. Next up, we got Russian. And then we got Spanish. And that's it. We don't need to change anything else because this phrase index gets updated by a player press value. So when you click on a language button, it'll save that value in memory and load it every time you load the game, or while you're running the game, it will auto update the language. So we also have to do the yes and no buttons. It looks like I already did those. That's good. Yep. Start image. Okay, we don't need to translate that. We want to make sure this is hiding when the game starts. And then there's one more thing I wanted to do. I want to go to my code, calendar manager, and I want to make a new method. Public void click music icon. And then we want to make a coroutine because there's going to be some time values passed in here. And that's going to be called hide show music. Hide music name. Or actually, I think it's song name, so hide song name. Okay. So when we click on the music icon, we're on line 107, so let's see. I think I have a variable here called song name. text or something like that. Oh no, that's in the music manager. Maybe I want to do this there. Yeah, I'm just gonna cut this out. Pretend like that never happened. Okay. Music manager. Here we go. So click music icon. All it's going to do is set these two to true. Then we're going to start coroutine, hide song name. Okay, and then in hide song name, we're going to wait. Let's see, how much time did I give here? Okay, I guess it would be this right here. How much is the delay? Let's see. If we go to music manager, oh, let me hide this list over here. Does it say what delay is? These are all the Paper Mario, or I just chose a few Paper Mario songs. Those are all the translations for this song as well. So the music player translates based on what language you chose. I don't see a delay though. Maybe I do that up here. Delay. Hmm. Maybe I'll just call this coroutine, and I don't have to make one. So up here, I'm going to start this right here, and then I'll delete this coroutine. Save that. And then now we need to assign a button press to that music icon. So we'll click the music icon. I don't think it has a button value, so we'll just add one. Add component, button. We'll add two on clicks. One of them will be for a sound effect. We're going to play audio source, play one shot. We'll choose an audio clip, sound effects. We'll say pick up coin. And then we're going to drag the music manager here and choose the method, click music icon. We'll save and then we'll click play. Actually, I'm going to stop running once it plays because I only want to be able to click on the music icon if not song name text dot active self. So if song name text is not showing and now playing text dot active self and not, then do this. So the method will only start working if those two conditions are true, if both the song name text and now playing text are not shown on the screen. Okay, let's see. All right, it's not a game object. Um, yep, those are actual text objects, so I'll just put a G in the front. That way I know it's a game object. Let's see, how do I do it here? Oh, I could do that? That's pretty neat. I forgot about that. Yeah, we'll save ourselves from creating a new variable. Use the same one, except we'll just put this. That should work. All right, great, no errors. Make sure we don't have to assign anything in the inspector. Music icon, and we already assigned the button value for this. Okay, so let's click play. So a little cutscene. So Mario and Luigi are talking. Hello, my name is Mario. Hi Mario, my name is Luigi. But if you change the language, the text also changes. Everything else changes as well. We can click finish. Okay, so we can't click this yet because it's showing. But if I click on it, it shows here, but then I got an error message. Failed to call function. Calling function hide song name after delay with no parameters, but the function requires one. Oh, I think I know where I messed up. Yeah, this coroutine, it has a parameter that passes through it called delay. See, there's this right here. Yep, so here it is. That's all I need. What is that on? What line is that? Here. There we go. Let's try that again. Now that we already chose a language, we should no longer see the cutscene. All right, and then we click on the music icon. Nothing happens because they're currently showing. We click on it, it shows you what song is playing, waits 5 seconds, and then disappears. Perfect. Alright, so let's clear the player prefs. That way our save values don't get stored on the build. Let's go to build settings. We're currently in WebGL. Let's build this. I have a WebGL folder. Select folder. And then we'll wait for it to update. Shouldn't take too long because I ran an update not too long ago. If anything, I'll just cut this out in the video. I thought this would be fun, behind the scenes of some of my projects. I'll try to do more of those in the future. This is a really important project to me, though. Got a couple friends who are excited about it when I originally released it, but I didn't know there was a bug that didn't allow you to save your data properly. So I fixed that and I just added a couple of quality of life improvements. So I'm going to share with them after uh, I get finished here, and I look forward to hear their responses. All right, so I'm going to edit the game, and we are going to delete this and compress the build folder once it finishes building. We'll zip it up. It's pretty neat that it only came out to 52 megs. There we go. The build's done. That wasn't a bad time to wait. That was like 3 to 4 minutes. So what we'll do now is select all files, send to zip, and then I'll name it. And then we will be uploading this to itch.io. So we'll delete the old WebGL, confirm, upload files, the one we just made. I also did find a piece of code online that should prevent data getting lost when you update a WebGL build. There's actually just this small piece right here. I think this is the cache on your browser, and then here's where your project name would go. And then it checks if the directory exists, just save to that path. This is if you're running a WebGL build or if you're not in the editor. Uh, it saves the file path name, so that should prevent, hopefully, data getting deleted. If it works, I think I'm going to use that for some of my other projects that I regularly update. We'll check the box. This file will be played in the browser. And then we will put a new comment up here. We'll say new update, 10 languages, music button to show song name text after it disappears. Bug fix, data Not saving when purchase. Item, closing, relaunching the game. That's about it. And then good here. We'll do save, view page. We'll click run. Choose the language, click finish. I'm gonna click on this. It shows us the song name, and then it hides. And let's make sure our data is getting saved properly. So choose your stars based on the following. Did you exercise in the morning, the night, or both? I'm just gonna click here to save, click X to close. I'm gonna give myself about 18 points. I don't recommend doing this if you're going to use the app, honestly. You want to honestly choose what times that you did exercise. This is just for me testing it out. I want to make sure the data gets saved. Also, you can only store 7 days of data. The next day, the 23rd, will be disabled, so you can't change anything in the past that's more than 7 days old. You also can't change data in the future, so 30 is disabled, and so is everything after it. All right, so we have 18, 3 on all these days. Let's refresh the page. I think we're also running the Spanish language, so if we run the game again, it's still in Spanish. We have 18 collected. Now we can buy some fast food. Are you sure you want to change it for fast food for 15 stars? Yes, we lose 15. Now we have 3. The numbers here still show that you earn 3 for each day. So if we refresh, we should have 3 stars remaining. 3 stars for all those days. There we go. Song name down there. We can change the language again. You got French, Russian, Italian, Chinese, Japanese, German, Polish, and Portuguese. Although there's probably one thing I want to do. I think I already did it. I want to make sure I have all the symbols for Chinese and Japanese. Cool. So the day reflects properly here. Month name is over here. Language is right here. Total stars collected. Exchange your star points here. Okay. I want to make sure I don't have any broken icons, so that looks good. Nice. I think I did it already. Make sure I have all the months as well. So this would be October, November, December, September, August. Okay, okay. All right, so that would be January. Yep, we have all the proper month names as well. Cool. All right, well, I'm pretty excited about that then. So our launch is successful. It was a pain to build that proprietary translation system. If you remember me doing manually assigning each phrase to each text individually. So, like the word collected has a list of phrases with all the languages. I don't know, the idea just popped in my head. I started fiddling around with the code and finally got it to work. So really exciting. I hope to use multi languages in my other projects as well. I might go back and update some other ones. Just use this as a base. But yeah, that was a quick video just showcasing this project and also the major release. I wanted to record that for YouTube. So thanks for watching the video, and hopefully you use this app for yourself, you share it with friends. Just a fun project. I like sharing my creativity on these things. So appreciate if you like the video, if you subscribe if you aren't already, and I will catch you in the next one.
You know who it is.